Hello guys, in this video I'm actually going to walk you through how to find a Docomo bike station on the Docomo Bike Share website via a smartphone in Japan. This is actually a follow-up video to the other Docomo bike video on how to register for the Docomo Bike Share on your mobile phone. Let's get into it. So just basically search for Docomo Bike Share. Click on the website to go into it, and you're just going to want to scroll down to the bottom and select which area you're in to search for the bikes. And I happen to be in Shinjuku right now, so I'm just going to click the Shinjuku. Now it's going to pull up this separate website which is specific to Shinjuku, I'm guessing. And in the top right corner you can click language to change it to English if you don't understand how to read Japanese. And then it pulls up this additional website, which I don't know why it doesn't just pull it up in the same website, but anyway. Just scroll to the bottom and you'll see this little section for station map. Just click on station map and it'll take a couple of seconds to load. And there you have it. You have the map. Now it pulls up the map within the web page, so you can zoom in and find it this way. However, I find this very hard because it doesn't show you where you're currently at. So I usually click this little button that says Open Google Maps. And as you'll see, it will open it up in Google Maps. And for some reason it's not showing right now. So let me go back to Safari. Click Open in Google Maps again. Okay, there we go. Now I can actually zoom in and click. I'm clicking the one at the bottom. This is basically the station number right here. So the numbers that you want to remember are the one that says D3-06. So now if I go back to Safari, I can log in. So I'll log into the account, which pulls up another website for some reason. Now, if you were actually already at that station and you see that there are bikes at the station, you can go to where the keypad is on the bike, which is normally at the rear wheel. There's normally a red and white sticker that has the bike number in it. And then you can just go here and just type in the actual bike number and it'll find it that way. Since I'm not there, I'm just going to go back. Okay, I'm just going to go back here and I will choose from port. So here obviously you have the very top, which you know, obviously I'm in Tokyo, so I'm going to keep it at that. Choose your area, which is basically like the different parts of Tokyo. I happen to be in Shinjuku, so I'm going to select that. And then choose the place. Now you can either scroll through here. Now these are basically separate subsections within Shinjuku. I happen to know I'm in Takadanobaba. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, so I'll just go there. And then it was the station number D307, so you would click on that. And then these are the available bikes at that particular station. Now you can go ahead and select one of these bikes and it will basically reserve it for 20 minutes. So If I were to select one of those bikes, it would basically give me a 4-digit code, and with that 4-digit code I would go to that particular bike, hit the start button, enter in the 4-digit code, and the bike would basically unlock. And the lock is basically just a wheel lock, and it automatically unlocks as soon as I enter that code. It takes a couple of seconds, but it's pretty straightforward. Now, let's say that I went ahead and reserved this particular bike, this first one. If I'm not there in 20 minutes to unlock the bike, it basically goes back into the system as available. So that's it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.